everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm the Bean, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this beautiful updo. So to start with, we are going to section off the top of the hair like you see here. We are going to want to curve in slightly towards the front hairline so that when we section it off, there's no part on the sides. Because if you have a part on the side here, you're going to have a part when you finish up. So we're going to take that ponytail in the back and we are going to put on the bun maker. Now, if you don't know how to do this part, I do have a full-length tutorial on how to use a bun maker as well, so you can definitely check that out. And once we have that bun maker in place, we're going to take the remaining hair, we're going to part it down the center in the back, and then we are going to braid each side. And when we braid the sides, we're only going to grab the hair from the bottoms, almost like we're creating a half a French braid in order to prevent the hair from parting. And as you braid towards the back, you don't necessarily have to keep it pinned to the scalp because we are going to wrap these braids. So a little bit of give would actually be helpful. And then we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. And once we get both of these sections braided, they're going to look like as you see here. And then we are just going to wrap them around the bun without making them too tight. We don't want them to tuck in under the bun, but we do want them to be secure. So we'll just use a couple of bobby pins to pin those in place and pin any loose hairs that we may have bumped out of place during this process. And then of course you can finish with hairspray if you want to keep it secure all day. And here we have the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comments below along with any video suggestions. And please remember to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos.